God bless you all. Welcome to my Friendly Maths channel. Let's see the solution, how to solve this puzzle. Okay, here we will assume it as x, y, a and b. So the four equations we will be getting are, the first one is x minus y. Till now we were doing with plus, but now it is subtraction, so please take care of that, is equal to 42. This is equation 1. Okay, and then x minus a is equal to 45, right? This is equation 2. And then next is y minus b is equal to 12. This is equation 3. And then a plus b is equal to 27. This is equation 4. Okay, now we can do, see here x and x are there in 1 and 2. So we can subtract equation 2 from 1. So the signs will be changing. Okay, and this plus x and this minus x will be cancelled. Now this a is plus and this y is minus. Okay, so plus sign we can write first. So a minus y, ultimately it will be coming. A minus y is equal to, this is minus 45, this is plus 42. Minus 45 and plus 42. So as different signs, answer, of course answer will carry the sign whichever the greater number is carrying. Okay, and here the greater one is 45 and it's carrying minus, so answer will be negative only. Negative answer you will be getting. And as different signs, so we have to subtract 42 from 45. So you will be getting 3. So here we will be getting x will be cancelled, right? Plus x minus x, and I am subtracting equation 2 from 1. Okay, so I have changed the signs of equation 2 only. So here it is a plus a and minus y is equal to minus 3. Let's consider this as equation 5, right? And now we are getting y minus b is equal to 12 and a plus b is equal to 27, right? Here minus b and plus b is there. So simply if we add these two equations, this b will be cancelled and we will be getting a plus y here, right? So by adding, I am now adding. So a plus y is equal to, as it is we are adding, so signs will be same. So here 12 plus 27 we have to do, and that is equal to 12 plus 27, 2 plus 7, 9 and 2 plus 1, 3. This is equation 6, right? Now see, in equation 1 it is a minus y, it is a plus y. Okay, if we add these two equations, then y will be cancelled. A minus y is equal to minus 3 and a plus y is equal to 39, right? So 2a is equal to 36 we are getting. 36. Therefore, why 36? I hope it's understood to you, because here 39 is plus, here minus y plus y will be cancelled first of all, and here plus 39 and minus 3. As the greater number carrying plus sign, so answer will be in plus, and as both the numbers are carrying different signs, we have to subtract 3 from 39 and that is equal to 36. Okay, so therefore dividing these two sides with 2, this 2 will be cancelled, and therefore a is equal to 36 divided by 2, that is equal to 18. We are getting the first one, a is equal to 18 you got. Now you can easily simplify each and everything. Okay, so we will replace this a with 18 here, right? Now see, let's put the value of a in all equations wherever it is a. Okay, so x minus a, I am using x minus a is equal to 45. right? So x minus 18 is equal to 45, right? Sorry, yeah. So x minus a is equal to 45. So x minus 18 is equal to 45. Therefore, okay, x is equal to 45 plus 18. Okay, 45 plus 18, 5 plus 8, 3, and 1 carry over, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So x will be 63. I hope it is clear, all of you. Very simple calculation. Just have a look at this. X minus a, we are putting up the value of 18 in place of a, and then as it is minus 18, when you are moving to the other side of is equal to, that will be plus 18, and 45 plus 18, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So shall I put 63 in place of x now? So here it is 63. Now let us see 63 minus 18. So here 13 minus 8, 5, and 5 minus 1, 45. So this one is satisfied. Okay, now here let's see this one. You are getting 63, sorry, okay, I will erase later on. 63 minus y is equal to 42 you are getting, right? So 42 you are getting. Therefore, let us shift this y to here and let us bring this 42 to here. Therefore, y is equal to 63 minus 42. Signs will be changing, and that is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, 6 minus 4, 2. So, y is equal to 21. Just have a look and get the clarity. Then I will put up. Shall I put up now? 63 minus y, this minus y, when we shift to other side, it will become plus y, and this 42 plus 42. So this will become minus 42, and so we are getting y is equal to 21. Right? Now 21 minus b is equal to, sorry, 21 minus b is equal to 12. Similarly, very easy, 21 minus b is equal to 12. Therefore, b, if we bring it to other side, it will become plus b, and 12, if we bring it to other side, it will become minus 12. So, 21 minus 12 is equal to b we are getting, right? Therefore, b is equal to 11 minus 2, 9, 0, 9. b is equal to 9. Quickly, let us... This one we have checked, it is coming right. Now see 63 minus 21, 3 minus 1, 2, and 6 minus 2, 4. So 42, this is satisfied. Now here see 21 minus 9 is equal to 12. This is also satisfied. Now 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. This is also satisfied. If you find this video useful for you, please like it and subscribe the channel if you are watching it for the first time. And thank you so much for those who have subscribed my channel. Please share it with those who feel they will also enjoy. Have a great day. Thank you so much.